everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing the FabFitFun winter unboxing. So if you are unfamiliar with FabFitFun, it is a seasonal subscription box for $49.99 free shipping, which is awesome. And you get 8 to 10 full-size products. It's like a lifestyle box, so you get like 8 to 10 full-size products, and everything is valued over $200, which is amazing. So yeah, and you also get to customize each box, but I like to keep everything a surprise when I do like subscription boxes, so I don't ever choose or anything. I don't like look at sneak peeks. So yeah, I'm super excited because this is my very first FabFitFun box. I have no idea what to expect from it. I've just seen videos, and all the products that everybody received looks amazing. And I know winter is almost over already. It's already the end of January, February starting, but that is okay. Once they do the spring one, which I'm on the website right now, the spring box looks so cute. I am super excited for that. But let's just dive right into what we have. So this is what the FabFitFun winter box looks like. It is humongous, like it's bigger than my face. But I'm super excited to see what I got inside. So let's just open this up and see what we have. 1, 2, 3, Alright, so opening it up, the first thing I see here is like this little magazine pamphlet looking like thing. I have no idea what it is. Like, okay, so it's just like it's kind of like a little magazine pretty much. Like it has like, it tells you that you could customize, select memberships, get early shipping and early access. It tells you there's add-ons that you can do to follow them on their social media and all this other stuff. And then yeah, it's just a book full of things, and then it also shows you like all the stuff that you could get in the box, which is super exciting. So I'm actually going to keep this open so I can read off the prices of everything. And the first thing I see here is the Cuccio Somatology Yoga Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. So this is it's with lavender oil. Super cute. So this is what this looks like. And this guy retails for, where are you? Right here, $39.95. So this little guy is $39.95. I want to see what it smells like. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my goodness. It smells really good. I really like this. I'm actually going to be using this as body wash instead of hand wash, just to see how it works. If I don't like it as a body wash, then I could just use it as a hand wash, but it smells amazing. Right. Moving along. The next thing I have here is the Drybar Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. Protects up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And this little guy retails for $23. I haven't really tried any Drybar products before, so I'm super excited for this, and I love sprays for my hair. Every time I'm out of the shower, I love just putting like masking stuff in my hair just to revive it because my ends are so bad. Okay, so this is what like everybody gets in their box, I think. This is the makeup eraser, and I've never tried this before. I'm super excited. I heard like so many great things about this, and this guy is $20. And if you don't know what a makeup eraser is, it's just like a makeup wipe, but you don't have to put any products on it. Like all you have to do is get it wet, and then it'll get all your makeup off. But this is my very first makeup eraser. It's really soft, and I'm pretty sure you can like wash this and everything too. But oh, it's so soft. It's like a little blanket. Moving along is this right here. It says wallet. I was gonna say I have no idea what this is, but that's cool. It's a wallet. So I actually love matching my purses with wallets, and I can see through this, like it's a black and white wallet. I actually have a black and white purse that I don't have a wallet to go with, so this is perfect. This is the cut from the Kloth Slim Striped Wallet, and it's $70 for this. So it's just a regular like trifold wallet. It has some card slots, wallet, I mean not a wallet, like a check slot, money slot. Yeah, it's very, very basic, but it's really, really cute. This will match perfectly with my black and white purse. Let me show you this box. Like everything is like hidden inside of there. So I'm just kind of like searching in there, trying to find something. What I have here is the LXMI Pure Nilotica Melt. It's a nourishing balm to oil. I have no idea what this is, but this is $28, and it says on the book that this 100% organic balm to oil deeply nourishes the skin and helps smooth imperfections. And then on the back of the little tube, it says squeeze out balm and massage into skin. Use as an overnight facial mask. Awesome. And throughout the day where needed. We suggest around the eyes, on the lips, and on dry patches. So you can actually use this around your eyes and your lips, which is awesome. Okay, this stuff is thick. Oh my gosh. Oh, I feel like that's a little bit too much. But there's really no scent to it. Yeah, I don't really smell anything. Whoa, that is weird. You see, okay, so it's like a balm right there, and then when I put it on my hand, it just like turns into oil. That is so cool, and like, wow, I'm so intrigued. Whoa. This stuff is weird. It's cool though. Like there's like no scent to it. It just like melts upon application. That is so cool. Okay, moving on, getting sidetracked. This next item I see here is the Tarteist Pro Remix. In the past, I haven't really been a big fan of Tarte products, but I guess I could give this another shot. Like their Tartelet and Bloom, Tartelet 2 palettes. I wasn't really a big fan of those, but since I got this, I can give it a shot to see how I like it. But this guy is $49 retailing. It comes with a huge mirror. These are all the colors. They're really, really pretty. I'll do some swatches for you guys as well. But oh, I love these colors. So yeah, I'm not a huge fan of Tarte products, but I will give this a shot just to see if I like it or not. If not, I'll pass it down to like a friend or something. Oh my gosh, I've been dying for this. I've always wanted it ever since like it first came out. I was like, oh my god, I need it. But I just never got one. This is the Vera Mona Color Switch Solo. It's $16.99 if you buy it separately. And oh my god, this stuff is so cool. So when I do eyeshadows, I'm very, very bad at cleaning my brushes. So this is perfect for me to just like kind of switch it out and clean it and stuff. So all you do is you put your brush in it, you swivel it around, and then it like kind of takes off most product that was on the brush, and then you move on to the next color without having like that weird in-between color of both colors. And yeah, it's just like a little scrunchie. I mean, I'm pretty sure you can make one of these, but it's cool that this box came with it because I've been wanting to try this so bad. I think that is everything that I have in my box. I don't know why my hands are up, but I'm just gonna kind of search around because it's like a huge mess in here just to make sure I didn't miss anything. But even if that is it, this box was amazing. All right, so I did find something else from the box. This is the Adore Stack and Sparkle. What is this, a bracelet? Yeah, it's a bracelet. It's Adore by Swarovski. I can never say that. Swarovski Organic Circle Bracelet in rose gold. And this is $39. And it's such a pretty bracelet. I really like it. So it says here that Adore Signature Organic Circle Bracelet is beautifully crafted with an asymmetrical shape featuring rose gold plating and a Swarovski crystal. And yeah, if you, here, I'll take it out so you don't have that glare. 1 second. Yeah, so if you actually look at the bracelet, like the circle is not an actual circle. It's kind of like lopsided, so to say, but it's super cute. I really like it. Oh, I'm super excited for everything that I got in this box. I'm really happy with everything that I got in here. I cannot wait to see what spring comes up with. And yeah, if you guys like these videos, make sure to subscribe down below and stay tuned for upcoming videos. I will be doing more subscription unboxings and all that stuff. I have a lot more videos coming soon, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.